Hey guys, I want to point this out real quick. As Google gets around to indexing into the sitemaps of different projects, like I said, they're starting to do, then we're going to start popping the links. And as we do, we're going to start to see ourselves pop up for keywords where we just wouldn't have seen ourselves before. And it's pretty cool to see where we are on a number of things. I'll give you an example. One of the projects we have is for offering vacations as a gift, something that people doing sales can throw in to their sale to really spice up the value of the sale, right? Granted, not a lot of people are traveling right now, but as the season opens back up, where it's okay to get back out there and start traveling again early, people are going to be dying for trips, and this kind of a thing will come up. All right, having said that, if I scroll down, remember I have 100 results set per page. There's like 672,000 companies that are vying for vacation as a gift, right? Well, down here, starting at around number, I don't know, 70 or so, okay? Then here we pop up, okay? That's our first backlink. Now you might say, hey, no one's going to find that thing if it's really that deep, right? That's like page 7, page 8. And the answer is, it doesn't matter. No one's supposed to really see this, but this should exist to create backlinks for the company we're really trying to drive backlinks for, right? And so that and these next four down here, this, and this, okay? So all within the top 100 results are backlinks specifically to a client of ours. Now that's cool that they're in the top 100 because it's top 100 out of 672,000. And this is a pretty darn useful phrase. Vacation is a gift. Okay, it's useful enough to have 674,000 results for it. And somehow, even though many of those guys have been fighting for years, we won it in probably a few weeks, or even just as Google started to index our links. So a few weeks of Google getting around to indexing enough of the pages for that to pop like that to this level. Okay, we'll grow with time and we'll get more results with time as Google indexes more of our pages. Okay, so that's cool. Let me give you another one. Vacation is a gift, travel incentives. Kind of a phrase, but this is, if you're typing and trying to dig into what you want. By the way, did you know that what is this? 40% of searches done are at least 4 words long these days. People are pretty savvy about things like that. Okay, again, within the top 100, two of our links appear, which is cool. Why? Because you're talking about 6 million results here, 5,930,000 results, and we are in the top 100. Okay, so again, these are auto-generated backlinking sites that have no business being there. They're not supposed to be seen. They're supposed to be like 87 pages deep, result number out of 5,930,000. If it was on, if it was 930,000 results deep, like on page 93,000, it would first still count as a backlink, but it would seem to be better placed for the kind of work we put into it, except what? We make our websites top quality. And so when Google sees them and does their measurements on them, they rank higher than they should. That's what's cool. Okay, let me continue. Okay, because it also means we have a terrific amount of backlinking power, a little dabble do ya kind of thing. Okay, giving away vacations. Where are we on that? Okay, I'm on page 2 with 100 results each, so I'm really between 101 and 200, right? So I just want to show you something. We're like starting off here at around like 130, and we got a couple of results, and then here, okay, about 145 maybe, and then down here, another one, and down here, another one. Okay, and again, we're going to get more results with time, naturally, as Google goes indexing more of the pages on more of the websites. We'll just naturally snatch them. And that means our backlinks are stronger than they're supposed to be. And that's awesome. And they're going to just create a lot of power for whatever they're backlinking. Now, what makes that interesting being on 130? It's out of 639 million results. This is giving away vacations. It's not even geo-targeted, okay? and it's on an incognito window. And to have 639 million results and still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 results between 130 and what is that? Like 160? 130 to 160 to have 5 results in there? We are like number 130 and 131 and 140 and 150 and 160. Isn't that awesome for giving away vacations? Huge power, right? Guys are fighting for years to get up in there, and we just overtook most of them like that with almost no effort. Okay. Now what? Vacation is gift incentives. I thought that was an interesting one. 6,770,000 results. And we are there. Okay. What, like around number 60 or so? Yeah, again, 60 out of 6,770,000. I mean, the top 10% is to be in the top 10% of the whole game, right? To say I competed and got placed in the top 1% would be what? To be in the top 60,000 results or so, 60 or even 70,000 results. Okay, almost. But then to say, okay, 70,000, what about 7,000 results? Well, then that would be to be in the top 0.1% of all the competition for this keyword. All right, and that's 700. Well, we're in the top. I mean, again, this is like number 60, So we're a tenth of that, right? So 0.01% in the top with almost no effort. And that's with backlinking sites that are driving up rank on our destination websites. That's really huge. And if I were to look at one more, vacation is a gift, integrity, just the notion that the word integrity is somewhere on the page as well. You have 17,300,000 results, okay? And just saying, where do we fall? Well, our client is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The website that we're aiming for is number 6 on there, right? Number 6 out of 17,300,000, okay? So it took a few months of building to get this high up. And eventually, he's going to earn the shorter tail vacation as a gift, which is huge because that is the market, right? All the company guys who are searching for that, because that's one of the top level keywords, just like giving away vacations is, that kind of thing, travel incentives, all of these things are major keyword combinations, right? To earn as you go. Okay, that's a point I'm going to make there. I'll do another video real quick showing kind of how keywords bump up or how rank bumps up when you suddenly earn the shorter tail. You go from the longer tail to the shorter tail. What does that do to you? So I'll just do a video on that. All right.